Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme machines ever created, a car that completely redefines what hypercar even means. Meet the Bugatti Bolide, a track-only monster born from the engineering brilliance of Bugatti. This isn't just another fast car. This is a science experiment wrapped in carbon fiber, built to chase lap records and push physics to its absolute limits. At first glance, the Bolide doesn't even look road legal, and that's because it isn't. This machine was never designed for city streets or boulevard cruising. It was engineered purely for the racetrack, where downforce, weight reduction, and raw power matter more than comfort or convenience. Every curve, vent, and surface on this car serves a purpose. Nothing is decorative. Everything is functional. Let's start with the heart of the beast. Under the sculpted carbon fiber body sits Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. In the Bolide, this powerhouse produces up to 1,600 horsepower on 110-octane racing fuel. To put that into perspective, that's more power than most Formula One cars from previous eras and significantly more than nearly any production vehicle ever built. Torque figures are equally mind-blowing, delivering relentless acceleration that feels almost violent. But power alone doesn't make the Bolide special. What truly sets it apart is its weight, or rather, how little it has. The engineers obsessed over every gram. The result? A curb weight of around 1,450 kilograms. For a car with a massive W16 engine, that's astonishingly light. The power-to-weight ratio becomes absolutely insane, close to 1 kilogram per horsepower. In simple terms, that means every horsepower has almost no mass to push, resulting in explosive acceleration and razor-sharp responsiveness. Now let's talk aerodynamics, because this is where the Bolide becomes almost otherworldly. The design is heavily inspired by motorsport prototypes. The massive front splitter, aggressive rear diffuser, and gigantic rear wing aren't there for show. At high speeds, the Bolide can generate over 2,500 kilograms of downforce. That means the car could theoretically drive upside down in a tunnel if the conditions were right. It's engineered to stick to the track like a racing prototype, allowing drivers to carry incredible speed through corners. The exterior design is dramatic and futuristic. The X-shaped tail lights give it a distinctive rear signature, while the roof scoop feeds air directly into the engine for optimal cooling and performance. The body is made almost entirely from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber, and many components use aerospace-grade materials. Even the screws and fasteners are titanium to save weight. The wheels are magnesium, and the brakes are massive carbon-carbon units, similar to what you'd find in top-tier endurance racing. Step inside, and you'll realize this is no luxury grand tour. There's no plush leather seating, no infotainment system, no sound system. Instead, you get a stripped-out racing cockpit with a fixed carbon fiber seat, racing harness, minimal digital display, and a steering wheel packed with essential controls. The interior is purpose-built and driver-focused. Everything is designed to keep the driver secure and focused at extreme speeds. Performance figures are almost surreal. The Bolide is projected to reach 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in well under 2.5 seconds, and its top speed is estimated to exceed 500 kilometers per hour in theory. Though in real-world track configuration, it's tuned for maximum lap performance rather than straight-line bragging rights. Simulations have suggested it could challenge lap records at legendary circuits like Nürburgring-level, which is often considered the ultimate test of a performance car. Another fascinating aspect is how Bugatti engineered the airflow system. The roof intake actually morphs shape at high speed, optimizing air pressure and cooling efficiency. The suspension system is fully adjustable and racing-grade, designed to handle extreme G-forces. The tires are slick racing compounds, developed specifically to withstand the intense forces generated by the car's downforce and acceleration. Production numbers make the Bolide even more exclusive. Only 40 units are being built worldwide, making it rarer than many limited-edition hypercars. And despite being track-only, every single one sold out quickly, with each priced in the multi-million-dollar range. Buyers aren't just purchasing a car, they're acquiring a piece of engineering art and a statement of ultimate performance. What makes the Bolide unique, even among hypercars, is its philosophy. While other Bugatti models like the Chiron blend luxury with extreme speed, The Bolide strips everything back to focus purely on performance. It's Bugatti showing what's possible when there are almost no rules, no road regulations, no comfort compromises, just the pursuit of speed. Driving the Bolide would be an intense, almost overwhelming experience. The acceleration would pin you into the seat instantly. The braking forces would feel brutal. The cornering grip would defy common sense. This is a car that demands skill and respect. It's not designed to flatter inexperienced drivers. It's designed to reward precision and courage. In many ways, the Bugatti Bolide represents the ultimate expression of internal combustion engineering. In a world rapidly transitioning toward electrification, this machine stands as a celebration of combustion power at its absolute peak. It's raw, mechanical, and unapologetically extreme. The Bugatti Bolide isn't just a car, it's a statement, a demonstration of what happens when one of the world's most prestigious manufacturers decides to build something without compromise. It's louder, lighter, and more aggressive than anything Bugatti has ever produced before. And while most of us will never see one in person, it remains a symbol of engineering pushing beyond the limits of imagination. This is not about practicality. It's not about daily driving. It's about chasing the edge of what's physically possible on four wheels. And in that pursuit, the Bugatti Bolide doesn't just participate, it dominates.